And as far as my job, you know, I take it very serious. I mean, I try to tell jokes and laugh and ha ha and not get too caught up in the seriousness. But at the end of the day, it is very serious for me. You know, when I drive in the morning and I see my name on the sign and up on the building, I mean, I know what's at stake. You know, my reputation is at stake. So every decision I make throughout the day for every kid, every adult, is really about how are we going to get to the end, which in the end is being that great smile, that functional bite that's going to last forever, where the child is happy, the parents feel great about it, and it's just everybody feels good. That is, for me, that's the vision that I have for this practice. But at the same time, I want it to be, you know, a very warm, caring, and fun environment. And I'm constantly trying to juggle and balance all those things.